Hey, hi, this is Manjuna Chandria. Today we'll be learning how to find the difference between a start date and the end date of a particular project. So I have a data here with the project names, the start date and the end date. So we need to find how many years have been gone between this project started and the end date, and how many months have gone between this start date and the days. For that, we can use the DATEDIF function. So DATEDIF open bracket, select the start date, comma, with the end date. So once you do, we want number of years, how much it is passed. Select the do start with the double quote, end with y for the number of years, and close the double quote and hit enter. So now we can see it is giving the number of years. So here it is because it's here is the start date is more than the end date. So I need to change it to February. So now it's 0. So it is between the same 2025. So there is no year here. So I need to find the number of months passed between the two start date and end date. Similarly, just copy this formula F2 and copy. Just paste it here. Instead of M, change it to Y for months. It has 60 months have been passed. The project started in the end. So this is not yet started. The project is in April. So it is pending here. Okay, and we need to find how many number of days it's passed. Just double click, copy this formula, paste it here again, change the M for the month, change it to dates D, and you're able to get the number of days the project have been uh, have been passed from the start date to end date. So this is, it gives you the number of years number of months passed between this between the start date and end date. Similarly for the days, how many days has been passed between the start date and the end date. I hope this session was helpful. Do let me know for any other function.